Hi, I'm Azra, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize your logo on Zoviz. In previous video, I explained how to create a logo using Zoviz. Now I've created my logo, but I would like to customize it further to make it more suitable and personalized for my brand. So first, let's go with the color section. In color section, I can easily change my sign color. For example, I can make it red. And besides the color, I have the gradient option too. So maybe I can do it more vibrant color. Let's go with this one. And here, I can also change brand name color. I'm going to make this red or orange. Also, I have the gradient options for these two. I'm gonna stick with black. For the background color, I can easily change this too. Maybe I can go with gray. That's good. And the next is the text options. Let's go there. In the brand name, I can add or remove few words or do a different one if I wanted to. And the font. In the fonts, I can use whichever I want. Here, I'm gonna go with Comfort Tab and look how cute it looks. Now, the next is layouts. You might want to adjust the layout of your logo and brand name. For instance, I can go vertical one to horizontal one easily, and I have options for only the text or only the sign. I will go with the horizontal one. So, in the brand color section, here we are. After layouts, we have brand color. Brand color section, you can set your brand primary color. In here, this will be the main color used in your brand kit. It's best to pick a primary brand color that's already in your logo. For example, since my logo is orange, I will use orange as my brand color too. So let's make it like this. So it looks really great for me. Yes, and this is easily done. You can edit and customize your logo easily on Zoviz. So that's it for today. For more tutorials on using the website and more branding tips, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. See you next time.